Sam here from Equipter, and today we're going to do a quick start guide on how to operate the Equipter RB4000. First step is we're going to unhook it from the truck. So you have standard trailer hookups with the RV plug, you have your safety chains, right there, 2 of those. Then we also have this breakaway cable right here. All right, now we're ready to pop it off the hitch. The next thing is how to start the Equipter. There's an ignition switch up here on the controller panel. But for that to operate, first of all, you have the Honda ignition key right here. So you have 2 types of keys. The first one is for the engine compartment here that you can lock if you need to. The second one is for the Honda ignition. So for this, you can start the engine from right here. The other way also is to just flip it on the on switch, and then you can start it from the ignition switch on the controller panel. So we'll do it that way. Close the engine compartment again. And also this is the choke lever here if you need it to give a little bit of a choke to start the engine. So let's go through the controls of the Equipter. Right here is your parking brake lever. This is disengaged and this is to engage the parking brake. Next we have the steering. This is to turn right and this is for left. This is the wheel lift lever, which is to bring the wheels up and to bring the wheels down. This is your dump. The next 3 are to operate the container of the Equipter. So here you have your dump, your rollback, and your lift. The last one on the end here is to operate the tailgate. So to open and then to close. Right here we have the engine throttle for the Equipter. To operate that, you push the red button and push down to decrease the speed and pull up to increase the speed. Right here we have the engine ignition. To turn the engine on, just simply flip it up, and to turn it off, toggle down. Right here we have the drive lever. This is to go forward and this is for reverse. At the bottom here are all of the outrigger levers. So the front 2 levers are for the front outriggers and the 2 back are for the rear outriggers, and simply down and up on all 4 of those. All of the outriggers are independently operated. And then last we have the wheel lock lever, which is to, when you're bringing the wheels up and down, simply pull that out and we'll bring them into the unlocked position. So the next thing is to bring down the front wheels of the Equipter, which will engage the rear drive axle. To do that, we're going to lower the operator stand. It's important to engage the parking brake at this stage. And then what we're going to do is pull this lock lever, which will unlock the front wheels while we operate the wheel lift lever of the hydraulics. All right, next thing is operating the container of the Equipter. First thing we're gonna have to do that is to stabilize the Equipter with the 4 outriggers. Once we have all of those down, there's a level indicator on the front side of the engine cage just to make sure we're all leveled up. And then we can lift the container